It is Tuesday, October 11, and we are headed from Peggy Sue's Diner to Calico Ghost Town, and it appears that all those vans are really in a rush to get there.
Yeah, I think that's how it works. We just arrived at Calico Ghost Town. This is only a couple of miles from where we stayed at Peggy Sue's Diner off of Highway 15 near Yermo, California. And I think my dad took me here when I was a little kid because I remember the name, but not much else about it. I must have been only 7 or 8 years old. But anyway, it's a cool place. Let me turn this camera around and we'll take a look. Here we are. Big sign up on the hill. Knott's Berry Farm modeled its old town on this.
They did this thing. They redid this place.
But I think they also use this as inspiration for.
That's cool.
The Calico Bottle House. Yeah. I don't think I ever saw the one in Simi, but I remember this one.
It looked like this,
Yeah.
but not as uniform.
I think you used to be able to go inside it.
Yeah, I think so.
It's closed now.
See, these bottles are all the same. The Simi ones are just bottles.
Random bottles. Friday to Sunday.
Oh, too bad. Monday through Thursday. It's okay.
Tour.
Howdy, folks. This is Hard Rock Harris, and I'm here with Mrs. Annie Ricker, 2 miners from Calico's heyday. We would like to welcome you aboard to the Calico Ghost Railroad.
We all please stay seated.
As we round this next curve, look to the left of the engine. Notice the pile of rocks painted white with a white marker on top. This is an example of what a corner monument looks like. We use them on all 4 corners of our planes to alert everyone that they may be trespassing and to remind plane jumpers to stay away. Remember how the first traces of silver were discovered right on the ground in the spring of 1881.
I got raised by a few bullets and set in his way from my old pistol. The law had me arrested.
House.
But I load my water-filled boiler.
Another one of our neighboring towns, Oregon, can no longer be visible, but when the boom ended here, some miners got jobs over there as borax miners for the Pacific Coast Borax Company. The 4-8 and Daggett Railroad was even built right up into Mule Canyon, making for a more efficient operation for the company. It became the last place in California where the famous 20 mule teams were ever used.
Now, if you all look over at Main Street, you can see the same view we did as we ventured into town outside relaxation. There are actually 5 buildings.
the town. Wooden pipes were all that could be used because of the high mineral content of the water. Metal pipes would decay much too quickly if used in a mining town like Calico.